everyone, today in this video we're gonna discuss about Le-Chatelier's principle. So Le-Chatelier's principle basically told us that if we have any chemical equilibrium, if it achieves the equilibrium position and if I add the we can say more temperature, pressure, I give more concentration, so the chemical equilibrium will be changed. So let's have a look. First of all, if I can go with one example, I have here reversible reaction. Okay, if I have here reversible reaction, for example, A plus B will give C plus D. So this is how in this is the chemical equilibrium is achieved here, just because here rate of forward is equal to rate of backward. Okay, so remember, whenever we have rate of forward is equal to rate of backward, so it defines as the equilibrium is achieved. But here in the Le-Chatelier's principle, it defines if we change temperature, pressure, concentration or volume, or we can add any inert gases to this reversible reaction, so the equilibrium will be disturbed. Okay, if we add temperature, pressure, volume, concentration, or we can say any inert gas, equilibrium is disturbed. Equilibrium disturbed. Okay, so now whenever the equilibrium is disturbed, so now you will be trying to do its undo, or to we can say try to undo the change. मतलब same equilibrium position पे लाना है, इस disturbance को remove करना है. Okay, so we'll try to remove the we can say undo the change को क्या करें, undo करें, remove करें, or we can say come to the same position. ऐसा कुछ करें ताकि इक्विलिब्रियम अपनी सेम पोजीशन पर आ जाए. सो इन सच वे द इक्विलिब्रियम विल शिफ्ट इन सच डायरेक्शन. इक्विलिब्रियम का किसी भी डायरेक्शन, इक्विलिब्रियम में एक ऐसी पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन में शिफ्ट होगा जिसकी वजह से आपका वो कैसे इक्विलिब्रियम दोबारा से अचीव हो जाएगा, अनडू हो जाएगा. ठीक है, सो इट विल शिफ्ट इन डायरेक्शन. सो नाउ वी विल लर्न अबाउट द डायरेक्शंस इन दिस वीडियो. Shift to direction where the reaction we can say equilibrium is undo or it is achieved again. Okay, so here we will learn about we can say these we can say directions. So first of all we have change in concentration. Our first is change in concentration. So here if I can write here, wait a moment. Okay, fine. Change in concentration. So whenever if I have this one reaction N2 plus 3H2 will give 2NH3. 2NH3. Now if I'll change the concentration of this, for suppose if I can increase the N2 concentration here. I have increased the N2 concentration here. Now the equilibrium will be disturbed. Now what we have to do, we have to undo the change. Undo the change, we have to make this on the same position, like we have to decrease the N2 concentration so that the reaction can be achieved again. Okay, so in this case if we have concentration is we can say higher, so equilibrium will shift towards the forward side. Equilibrium will shift towards the forward side. Remember, you have to learn this equilibrium shift to forward side. So let me give you another example of this concentration, change in concentration, okay? Now for suppose if I have another, we have H2 will decrease, or we can say decrease, okay? Changes occur. Now we have to undo this and we have to do H2 increase concentration so that equilibrium can be achieved again. So in this direction, if we can say any we can say substance concentration is decreased, so the and we have to do the increase concentration, हमें undo करके उसको increase करना है. तो remember the reaction will always shift toward the backward direction. Reaction shift to backward. When we have to do the we have to increase the concentration to undo the change, okay? So here we have another example. If I have a NH3, so if I will remove this NH3, abhi increase and decrease was done. If I'm going to remove this NH3 concentration and I have to undo this by increasing the concentration. So whenever the concentration is increased, if anything is removed, so the equilibrium will be in the forward direction. In the forward direction. So this is how अगर प्रोडक्ट की क्वांटिटी क्या है बढ़ानी है आपको, दिस इज द प्रोडक्ट, अगर आपको प्रोडक्ट की क्वांटिटी क्या करनी है बढ़ानी है, तो प्रोडक्ट को रिमूव करो और रिएक्टेंट को ऐड करो, ठीक है? प्रोडक्ट को क्या करोगे रिमूव कर दोगे, रिएक्टेंट को ऐड कर दोगे, so that will be forward. So after this change in concentration is clear, in the next video we'll go with change in pressure. Till that, bye bye.